Hello, today we're going to see how to quickly connect Stripe to your Chat With account so you can start collecting payments just by sharing a Chat With link or even a QR code. So I'm just going to navigate, and here I'm going to log into my account. And there's a button at the very top here where I can connect Stripe. And so simply I enter the country that I am with, which is for me the United States. And I'm going to get onboarded pretty quickly here in just about a minute or two. And I'm going to get reconnected to the Stripe backend here, where I simply have to enter a few details of my banking situation, and then I should be good to go in a secure way to collect payments. So I'm going to use the phone number that's associated with my Chat With account. Again, I'm in the US here, so I'm going to enter my American number. I'm going to enter the email address I have for me. And then I'm going to get a verification code for there we go, that they just sent me to my cell phone via SMS. And I had already signed up earlier, so it has my information saved, my address and name and all of that. If I had not signed up earlier, I simply have to say create a new business and I can enter my information. It's pretty straightforward. So we enter that information here, hit next, and then it's going to ask me for my bank account details, I believe, next. Oh, actually, let's see. I'm going to say I'm software. I have a website. I'm just going to Chat With for now. And here I'm going to select the bank that I have to collect my payouts. So I'm going to use Wells Fargo and go through the process here to sign in and finish the process. So now I've connected my bank account to my Stripe account here, and you can see everything has been verified, and I can hit submit, and I'm good to go to start collecting payments here. So then I simply create a new payment link here, and I can call it 30-minute consult for startup sales 021. And I can make it $50 and say, bring your problems, we'll solve it. I can even personalize the payment link by calling the 30-minute meeting as well. And I have all kinds of other options here that I can choose to require. I'm just going to hit save. And I can simply copy this link and share it wherever I'd like to collect payments from. And that's how you quickly, in less than 5 minutes, connect your Chat With account to Stripe to start collecting payments from anybody you'd like, just over a link.